Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this occasion, I'm gonna show you how I painted this ladybug. It's very easy to do. I have painted other ladybugs on my previous videos. I have painted butterflies as well, so check all my videos out. This ladybug, I did it while I went to do a hike with my wife and my daughter. My wife was recording me and my daughter was still coming up the hill. Again, this is a simple ladybug. I only use black, white, red, and some gold paint. I liked it because I did it over there on the hike. This is a short hike. This location is on California. The city is Simi Valley. And I enjoy doing hikes with my wife. I always leave rocks for people to find. And if you do find this rock or any other rocks that I leave on the trails, make sure to share the pictures in my Facebook page, Roger Adventures, or on my Instagram, same name, or leave a comment below so I know that you found these rocks. So far I have placed a lot of rocks and I have got, I believe, only 4 replies that they have been found. Let me know if you find these rocks and what you think about the rocks. This way I get inspired to do more rocks. I want you to tell me what do you think about these rocks, and if you have any suggestions on what you want to see on the next videos. I already have one subscriber that wanted me to do a cricket, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to do it for my next video. If not, I will do it, but I promise you I will do it. I will leave the link of the paints that I usually use for these rocks, to paint these rocks. I try to use basic colors so you guys can follow my tutorials. My goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks, and not only to paint rocks, but I want you to feel good about yourself. Maybe take a hike, a walk, go outside with your dogs, get that blood pumping into your veins and the heart, so you can feel good about your health as well. And we also like to do a lot of hikes at Albany on North Hills, California. So if you guys frequent these hikes, you will find my rocks if you're lucky enough. And I left these rocks on the top of this trail. This trail is only about a mile high to this location, but you can continue going all the way to the top where I have placed another rocks at the end of the Hummingbird Trail. This is the rock. I left it here next to another rock, and I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I hope we'll see you on my next video.
Una baby rattlesnake.